SOP, Standard Operating Procedure. This is a set of step-by-step written instructions compiled by an organization to help workers carry out complex routine operations. As an information technology professional, you must strictly follow these documents when setting up new employee computers to ensure every machine is configured exactly the same way. SBF Sender Policy Framework. This is an email authentication method designed specifically to detect forging of sender addresses. By creating a specific domain name system record, an organization publicly lists exactly which mail servers are authorized to send email on behalf of their domain, heavily reducing phishing attacks. SBICE Software Process Improvement and Capability Determination. This is an international framework used to assess and improve the software development processes within an organization. While less common in entry-level hardware repair, understanding this helps you grasp how large software companies measure the maturity and reliability of their engineering teams. SQL Structured Query Language. This is the standard programming language used specifically for managing and manipulating data held in a relational database. When a company's web application needs to look up a customer's order history, the application sends these specific text commands to the database server to retrieve that exact information. SSD Solid-State Drive. This is a modern, high-speed data storage device that uses entirely integrated circuit assemblies to store data persistently. Because they have absolutely no moving mechanical parts, they are incredibly fast, completely silent, and highly resistant to physical shock compared to older magnetic hard disk drives. SSH Secure Shell. This is a cryptographic network protocol used to securely operate network services over an unsecured network. Operating heavily on port 22, technicians use this command line tool every day to safely log into remote Linux servers and network switches to execute administrative commands. SSID Service Set Identifier. This is the technical term for the primary name associated with an 802.11 wireless local area network. Simply put, this is the exact, human-readable Wi-Fi network name you click on when you want to connect your laptop or smartphone to the internet at a coffee shop. SSO Single Sign-On. This is an authentication scheme that allows a user to securely log in with a single ID and password to gain access to a connected system of multiple completely independent software systems. This heavily reduces password fatigue, preventing employees from writing dozens of different passwords on sticky notes around their monitors. SD Straight Tip. This is an older, legacy type of fiber optic network connector that uses a push-and-twist bayonet-style locking mechanism. While you will mostly use newer push-pull connectors today, you still need to know how to properly clean and connect these spring-loaded fiber ends when servicing older network installations. TACACS Terminal Access Controller Access Control System. This is an older, centralized authentication protocol used heavily in enterprise networks to manage administrator access to network routers and switches. When an engineer tries to log into a core router, this system securely verifies their identity and strictly limits exactly which configuration commands they are allowed to type.